Hello students, today we are going to learn about numbers on the abacus. Listen carefully for proper understanding how to do it with easy method. So first we draw a abacus. You know what is abacus? Abacus एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जो हम यूज करते हैं कैलकुलेशन के लिए, लाइक एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. Here we draw an abacus with two spikes to show two-digit numbers. Now baseline, first line, second line. First line represent here one spike and second line represent here 10 spike. O stand for ones. T stand for tens. We take a number to draw beads on abacus, like 37. In 37, 7 is on ones place. So we draw 7 beads in one spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 37 in 3 is on tens place. So we draw 3 beads in 10 spikes. 1, 2, 3. Now take another number, 45. ऐसे ही हम फिर से एक abacus ड्रॉ करेंगे. बेसलाइन, 1 spikes, 10 spikes. O stand for ones. T stand for tens. Now look in this number. In 45, 5 is on ones place. So we draw 5 beads in one spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 is on tens place. So we draw 4 beads in 10 spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next हम इसका रिवर्स करते हैं. ओके, आपको एक abacus शो किया जाता है. Ones, tens, count and write the number show on the abacus. Look in this abacus. How many beads in one spike? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads in 10 spikes? 3. 1, 2, 3. We get number 35. Take one another. How many beads in one spike? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads in 10 spikes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get number 65. You are already provided exercise of it. Do practice in your notebook. And last, one important message for you. As we see day by day the number of cases of COVID-19 increasing. Due to that, our Prime Minister extended the lockdown to the 3rd May. Please children, take precautions and stay home, stay safe. After all, जो ये वीडियो हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, इन्हें आप देखें और प्रैक्टिस करें। होप यू लाइक इट। यदि आपका कोई क्वेश्चन या कंफ्यूजन है तो आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दें। थैंक यू।